You want to learn penetration testing? Well, here's 7 best penetration testing courses online, free, plus paid. First course, website hacking/penetration testing by Udemy. This course enables you to recognize threats and secure systems as a complete fresher with no prior knowledge. Topics covered are creating penetration testing lab, Linux basics, website basics, information gathering, file vulnerabilities, code vulnerabilities, LFI vulnerabilities, RFI vulnerabilities, SQL vulnerabilities, XSS vulnerabilities, insecure session management, brute force, dictionary attacks, discovering vulnerabilities, using ASP/ZAP, post-exploitation. You will get to study all about penetration testing. From the basics, you will be able to spot the bugs and fix them. You will learn about various kinds of vulnerabilities. You will gain information about SQL. You will know how to do information gathering. The course can be registered by anyone wanting to craft their skills of penetration testing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Mastering Thick Client Application Penetration Testing by Udemy. This course is designed to instruct you how to do penetration testing with thick client applications. It will start teaching you from the beginner's level and end up with intermediate level. Topics covered are lab setup, information gathering, traffic analysis, attacking thick client applications, reversing and patching common low-hanging fruits. You will get to know about thick client applications. You will be able to do pen testing with thick client applications. You will study about the tools used in penetration testing. You will learn to identify threats and to secure them. You will get all the practical knowledge of pen testing. The course can be registered by everyone interested to learn thick client application penetration testing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Pentesting 101, The Ultimate Hacking Guide Start to Finish by Udemy. This course is prepared to learn the whole process involved in penetration testing. It comprehensively covers everything that is needed to do penetration testing. Topics covered are defining pentest, deliverables of pentesting, pentest plan, pentesting report, debriefing, different methodologies, network pentesting, fuzzing, burp suite, CSRF, web app exploits, vulnerability scanners, and tools, OWASP, pentesting checklists, stimulated pentest. You will gain the knowledge of pentesting. You will learn to develop and implement a pentesting plan. You will study about CSRF and fuzzing. You will be able to learn network pentesting. You will learn how to do web application pentesting. The course can be registered by the common public desiring to master the technique of pentesting. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Penetration Testing for the eJPT Certification by Udemy. This course provides you a chance to learn penetration testing techniques and to get ready for qualifying eJPT certification exam. Topics covered are exam structure, penetration testing approach, information gathering, footprinting and scanning, vulnerability assessment, web attacks, password and authentication attacks, system and network attacks, skills and tools not required, exam strategy. You will prepare yourself for the eJPT certification. You will get to know the exam structure as well as strategy. You will learn about the methodology used for penetration testing. You will know about tools needed for penetration testing. You will be able to suspect attacks and vulnerabilities. The course can be registered by masses wanting to get all the knowledge required for earning a eJPT certification. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Penetration Testing, Incident Response and Forensics by Coursera. This course is organized to give you the knowledge needed to acquire all the security skills. Topics covered are penetration testing, incident response, digital forensics, introduction to scripting. You will enhance your penetration testing techniques. You will understand the penetration testing tools. You will be able to study digital forensics. You will learn about incident response. You will get the basics of scripting language. The course can be registered by all of you having passion for learning different security tactics. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn ethical hacking, click on the I button. Sixth course, Penetration Testing Engineer by Alison, free course. This course offers you the information related to tools, equipment, and methodologies in order to become a well-qualified penetration testing engineer. Topics covered are banner grabbing, vulnerability hacking procedures, web hacking, mobile hacking, network hacking, pen testing dogmas, pen testing technologies. You will know the necessity of pen testing. You will get to know the results of pen testing. You will learn to use various tools of hacking. You will learn about the countermeasures of hacking. You will get to know the ethical standards for hacking. The course is for anyone interested in learning how to become a penetration testing engineer from a free platform. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about cybersecurity, click on the I button. 7th Course Penetration Testing Bootcamp by YouTube, free course. This course lays out a detailed, comprehensive step-by-step guide to teach you every single concept of penetration testing. Topics covered are essential terminology, penetration testing intro, penetration testing methodologies, setting up pentesting lab, passive information gathering, active information gathering, enumeration, vulnerability scanning, network pentesting, exploitation of evasion, post-exploitation, password cracking, web application pentesting. You will get to study infosic terminology, you will understand the fundamentals of penetration testing, you will get an idea of setting up a penetration testing lab, you will be able to do both active and passive information gathering, you will get to know the network pentesting. The course is for everyone, particularly students who want to study a detailed description of pentesting testing without paying. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.